Hey Spices, it's Andrew, your guest in the kitchen today, and we are cooking up some hard-boiled eggs. For years we used to boil them, and sometimes they'd crack, and then you set the timer, and then you forget about the timer, and it was a game changer when we figured out how to do them in the air fryer. Eggs are a great snack. They pack a power punch. You can have them with hot sauce, which I love. You can also do these quickly and easily if you're making a potato salad. So let's get down to the basics. First, you're going to need an air fryer. We love ours. This is a Drell air fryer, but pretty much anyone will work. And we're going to put the eggs in the basket and set the timer for 15 minutes and set the temperature for 260 degrees. So I've kind of spaced them out so they don't touch, but it's not a life-changing event if they do. $260. So you'll just want to take them out and let them cool a little bit. You're not going to be able to grab them with your hands because they're going to be boiling hot. So we like to use tongs, or you can use a spoon. And we're going to put these into a bowl and then into the fridge. This one worked out really good with no cracking. Every once in a while there's some cracks. And of course, if the machine does tell you to shake it midway through like it would for chicken tenders, for example, obviously with eggs, you're not going to shake those. I'm going to put these in the fridge.
Once your eggs have cooled down, you can go ahead and crack them open. A lot of times we just put them in the fridge overnight and then the next morning they're ready. So I'm just going to crack them right here for you and show you what they look like on the inside. As you can see, they are done.
Was that easy or what? We love the air fried hard-boiled eggs. Super simple, super easy. No water to deal with, it's boiling. It's efficient, and while it was cooking, we were busy doing other things. The timer's obviously going to turn it off automatically, so it's really a worry-free way to get your hard-boiled eggs. Well, Spices, thanks for watching this video. I hope I gave you enough spice in the kitchen. Again, Andrew signing out. Melissa will be back soon, and thanks for spicing things up with me. We'll see you next time.